We have a GB match against Connecto. The game was scheduled for 3:30. It's now 15:44. I've sent him all the minutes saying 4 minutes and all that. They ain't joining the game. He's got 1 minute left. Or he forfeits first map. I think he forfeits the game. I don't even know the rules nowadays. It's 15:44 right now. They've been offline for 3 minutes. No one's in our recent players, and they're not in me and Promatics game. I don't know what to do. I'm sending them the minutes. They ain't joining the game. Connecto last online 3 minutes ago. Inviting the kid, he ain't responding. It's now 15:45. No one's in the game. 15:45 and no one's in the game. I'm gonna wait till 40. I'm gonna wait till 46. Yo, report this and get another one, mate. Post another one. Connecto's been offline for 4 minutes. It's now 15:46. No one's in the game. GG.